Coinex is one of the biggest exchanges and the top choices for crypto traders because it supports almost 400 cryptocurrencies and a total of 600 trading pairs. If you haven't watched our video about how to earn the sign-up bonus on this exchange, check out the links below. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step instruction on how you can withdraw and deposit on this exchange. Let's go! So the first thing that you need to do is to go to coinex.com and then log into your account. If you haven't had an account, you can watch our tutorial video on how to sign up and verify yourself on Coinex to be able to deposit and withdraw. And with our referral code, you can earn 20% off our trading fees on Coinex. Now, in order to deposit or withdraw on Coinex, you will have to complete your identity verification. If you haven't KYC yet, then again you can refer back to our tutorial video. Now let's start depositing. From the homepage of Coinex, go to Assets and then click on Deposit. Then you would want to choose the crypto that you need to deposit from the list here, or just type in the name in the search area, for example USDT, and click on USDT below. Next, choose the network that you want to use to deposit your crypto. For example, USDT, there are a bunch of networks here that I can choose. Each network will generate a different deposit address. So if I choose another network, the address will be changed into another one. For example, if I click on BSC, which is Binance Smart Chain, and tick on this box to confirm the disclaimer, then I will get a different address here. Same thing for ERC20 and else. But here I want to choose the chart network, so I just click back on this. Then what I have to do now is to copy this address and paste it correctly on the withdrawal platform, from which I want to send my USDT to my Coinex wallet. So that can be another exchange that I am using or my crypto e-wallet. After you're done submitting the withdrawal request on the withdrawal platform, just be patient and wait for the coins that you sent to arrive in your Coinex wallet. You can go to deposit record here to check the information and status of your request. The process can take about a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the blockchain whether it is congested or not. Now moving on to withdrawal. You can click on withdraw here, or you can go to assets and choose withdraw here. Then choose the coin on the token that you want to withdraw here. And next is the network. So as you can see here, for each network, the withdrawal fee will be different. So you can choose the network that has the lowest fee if you want. For the withdrawal address, you will have to get the address from the deposit platform, which can be another exchange that you are using or your crypto e-wallet, wherever you want to send your coins from. Now just copy and paste the address that you got here, then enter the amount that you want to withdraw, or in other words, to send to the other platform. For example, if I want to withdraw 100 USDT, then I just type 100 here. And then I can see the withdrawal fee of 0.73 USDT here. And the total deduction from your total USDT balance would be 100.73 USDT. If I change the network, the fees and the total deduction would also be altered, like this. After you're done, just click on submit here and the crypto will be sent to your other platform address. And you can check the status and the record of your withdrawal by clicking here. And that's it. Easy, right? If you're looking for a complete walkthrough of any crypto exchange, check out the links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master because it's free. And turn on the notification bell because we have so much more crypto information and tutorials that we cannot wait to share with you. Goodbye for now and see you in the next video.